So there's two parts in doing this. The first part is using one of these words to tell me who it is that likes the thing. So these are going to be what you see that'll tell you who it is that likes. So who do you think it is? If I'm using this word, who is it that likes something? Yeah, like me, right? Yeah. And that would be for you, like as in two. This one would be for
she,
he, she, or instead. This all follows this chart. So again, if I know some of you still have chosen to not memorize the Yo to LA instead chart yet.
no, I think it's fine.
Okay, if there's more than one of you, you're just making it harder on yourselves. Help make sure you're paying attention. So this that's for him or her. What do you think this one would be?
We.
For we, if it's for we like something, that's the you plural Spain like something, and that would be for what?
Wait, what's the bottom one?
They could be they, or who said is like you plural like something. So this is the first word you would use to say who it is that likes something. The word that you're going to use after it is either going to be gusta or gustan. I'll tell you what the difference is. I'll give you some examples first with just gusta. So if I want to say I like to dance, for example, I'm going to say me gusta. Anybody to dance? Bailar, okay. That's it. Me gusta bailar is how you would say I like to dance. So this doesn't go to like this verb right here is technically gustar, like this, but you don't put it to gusto.
So gusta is singular.
Or it can be plural. And I'll show you in a second how. So this goes with what comes after it, and this tells you who it is that likes it. This sentence technically says, "Dancing pleases me." It's kind of reads backwards. So this is going with this over here. So anyway, it's when you guys do this on a test or quiz, it's only gusta or gustan. It's not going to be gusto. It's not going to be gustas or gustanos or gustais. None of that. It's just gusta or gustan, depending on what's over here. What do you think you like to work would be? Okay, gusta. Trabajar, gracias. How about she likes to listen to music? Listen to music. Wait, what? La música? Something between this and la música. I need the listen part. Escuchar la música.
Wait, if you're actually writing it, would you change the AR and escuchar?
No, okay, so this, and let's look at it this way too. Let's say I change, like this is me gusta bailar, I like to dance. If I put this as this, bailo, just look at this. What does that mean, bailo?
Dance.
That means I dance, right? So this would be like saying I dance. So I don't want to say that. I want to say I like to dance, and to dance is bailar. So when you do this, don't change the verb over here. All you have to do is the gusta or the gustan, which I'll give you an example right now.
And that's just with the gusta, like right now.
Okay. If I want to say I like the pencil, what would that be?
Me gusta.
Me gusta el lápiz is correct. Let's do this really quick. Say, repitan, gusta, and then me, te, le, nos, os, les. Okay, you guys got it. So I like the pencil. Now, if I want to say I like the pencils, this is when we use gustan because pencils are plural. So it's the pencils please me if you read it backwards. So this is plural because this is plural. This is singular because that's singular. So one thing, gusta or gustan, that's the only thing you have with this gustar verb. Not gusta, not gustas. And this will tell you who it is that likes something. I'm going to give you guys some examples of what you would see on a test or quiz. I have an ego part out, I'm not really sure. Okay, so the stuff before these blanks are going to tell you if I'm going to use me, te, le, nos, or lace. And then the stuff after the blank will tell you if you're going to use gusta or gustan. So, what do you guys think I would use with me? Me, te, le, nos, or lace? You use me. Hopefully that was obvious, right? Because ami is how, actually I'm going to go do this more in just a second. But so ami, I use me, and then I'm going to use gusta or gustan for tomar agua.
Gusta.
I use gusta because tomar is just a verb, singular, so I'll say ami me gusta tomar agua. I like to drink water. How about for Jose? What do you use? Me, te, le, nos, or lace? I would use lay because he's bottom left. And then I use Gustar, Gustan with the books. Gustan because the books are plural. For Jacob and I, would I use mete, lay, nos, or lace?
No.
It's Jacob and I, so it's we, so we use nos. Gustar, Gustan. I use Gustar because it's, I'd be like to watch. To watch is just a verb singular. How about te, a ti, blank, conversar? Mete, lay, nos, or lace? And it looks a lot like it, right? So it's te, and then Gustar, Gustan? Gusta. And then alesi, alesi, mete, lay, nos, or lace? Lace is they, it's two people, so they like lace. What's the other one? Eamon says Gustan, which is correct because the pens are plural. That's what it would look like on the test quiz. So this, and these ones, so with music, like the megus, tegus, stuff like that, if you guys walked into a classroom, I know we did this before when we learned Sarah, but like if you came in and you heard someone say, le gusta bailar, we don't know who it is that likes to dance. We know it's a him or it's a her or it's usted, we don't know who it is. So if I want to specify who it is, that's when you do this kind of stuff. So you'd be like, oh, Kian, who is it? You could say, oh, Jose le gusta bailar. If you heard someone say les gusta bailar, you know it's multiple people, but we still don't know who they are. So I could say, Lacey Lacey, les gusta bailar. These ones right here, the ami, iati, those ones just put emphasis on the me. So like, me gusta tomar algo means I like to drink water. A mí me gusta tomar algo means I like to drink water, but it just puts the emphasis on the I part. So maybe at least like, I like my hydro flask. And someone else is like, well, I like my plastic water bottle or something like that. The ami would put the emphasis on the I part. And the ati puts emphasis on the you like part. Just give an example, I don't know. So question, using that information, and then you guys remember what this means from yesterday? Okay, if you don't, well, I'll say a minute. That's what means to do. So, question will be, yeah, here's my question is, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? I'll put it on the board. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Anyone know what the question's asking? Yeah, what do you like to do? On page 51, there's like 30 AR verbs. You can just put a verb after that. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Yeah, voluntario. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Quién quiere hablar? So you can say, I like to something. Anybody? Take a shot. Brendan.
¿Qué te gusta bailar?
Okay, there's something wrong with that. Does anybody know what it is, Carter?
He asked. I know.
Yeah.
He said, KT. And I don't know.
Right, you don't want to use that in your answer. Do you know what you would use, Braden?
A mí me gusta comer.
Yeah, so you don't have to say the a mí, but you can. So I'm asking you, Brendan, what do you like to do? So you can say I like to, which is me gusta, and then just put one of those verbs after it. Me gusta, whatever the verb is. Clay, ¿qué te gusta hacer? Me gusta caminar. Ethan. Me gusta bailar. Okay. ¿Quién más? Carter.
Me gusta nadar.
Nadar. Okay. Yeah. Dibujar. Okay. Yeah. Me gusta hablar. Okay. Cool. I like to talk. Me gusta viajar. I like to travel. Okay. Yeah.
How do you say eat?
Comer.
Okay, so you'd say me gusta
Comer.
comer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Again, there's a whole on page 51. You guys got a load of verbs you can use there too. Yeah. Me gusta tomar. Okay. What else? Yeah. Jessica.
Me gusta viajar.
Okay. Heidi. What was the last one? Me gusta el arte. That's fine. I didn't ask you what you like to do. I like art. It's not, in a sense, it's fine. It's not technically right because I want to know what you like to do. But you could say me gusta hacer arte, like to make art, I guess. But your sentence was fine how it was. Jacob.
Me gusta computadora.
Me gusta, you're going to say I like computers.
Yeah.
So me gustan computadoras.
Me gusta tomorrow.
Me gusta, was it tomar? Okay. Kendall?
Like me gusta senor.
Senor? Jason?
Me gusta matemática.
Okay. Do you want to say I like, you just want to say I like math?
Yeah.
Okay. Alan?
Me gusta descansar.
Yeah. One more, Carter?
Me Me gusta hacer.
Me gusta hacer nada. I don't like to do anything. Oh, that you said earlier was nada?
Yeah, I forgot.
Okay, I thought you said nada. ¿Algún comentario que no te gusta hacer? So same question, but what do you not like to do? Que no te gusta hacer?
Wait.
Let's make this more general. Alright, let's just do that. Que no te gusta. So instead, it could be a verb or it could be a thing.
Okay,
Anything.
no. Hey, Gustar.
Wait. So we'll just say, we'll just say, we'll put the no here and say no, me gusta, whatever.
Oh, so, no, Gustar.
No me gusta.
Wait, hold on. I find the one to, how do you say study?
Estudiar.
Estudiar.
Okay. Heidi. Okay. Amy.
No me gusta bailar.
Okay. Carter.
No me gusta escuela.
Okay. Let's see. Clay.
No me gusta travel.
Okay. Cool.
No me gusta cantar.
Okay. Brady.
No me gusta bar.
Okay. As you're doing it, Kylie.
No me gusta
Escuchar. Okay. Justin.
No me gusta bailar.
Okay. Let's do this. Que
You don't like to dance?
que clase no. So que clase te gusta?
What does that mean?
Kylie. Wait. Do you know what I'm asking, Kylie?
Like, what class you like?
What class you like? Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so me gusta,
Your guys' classes are on vocab page, which is Página 76 is all those classes on it.
Okay, I want to say PE, so wait.
Oh, and PE's not in there. I'll put it on the board because that's kind of dumb that's not on there.
Okay, I'll just say a random one. Can I just say
No, it's
wait, what?
That's long.
so that's PE's physical education, not educación física, is what it
Okay,
is.
so la education is.
Okay, so if you can hear Kylie, she said, me gusta la educación física. Brendan,
Me gusta.
okay. You just said you hate this class like 10
I
minutes
know,
ago.
I do, but
What?
Doesn't that hurt your feelings when she says
I'm
that?
gonna go home and cry later.
You apologize for anything.
no, I'm not gonna apologize.
Well, I don't have any Kleenex in here. Everybody's saying I'm always using it because Braden.
No me gusta.
No, class you do like. I'll ask you the other one in a minute.
I don't have any listeners.
It could be an old class, any class, any subject really.
I don't like school.
So,
Uh,
Clayton, you had fun in code.
All right, well, if you want to say I don't like anything, no me gusta nada. Justin.
Me gusta español.
Okay, Heidi.
Me gusta English.
Alton.
Me gusta la literatura.
Good. Miley. Okay, Eamon.
Me gusta español.
Ryan.
Me gusta español.
Ethan.
Me gusta la
Okay, Jacob.
Me gusta español.
Okay.
Me gusta English.
Okay.
Me gusta English.
Clay.
Me gusta la español.
Okay. Cool.
Me gusta arte.
How
do you say French?
Francés.
What pages are
Me gusta francés.
Okay. Kendall.
Me gusta arte.
Okay. Oh, there he is. Lucas. Okay, let's go with ¿Qué clase no te gusta? Same question, but no. ¿Qué clase no te gusta? Yep.
Wait, so,
So no me gusta.
no me gusta español.
You just so confusing. It's a love-hate, I guess. Love-hate relationship. Carter.
Me gusta no.
Put the no before the me.
No me gusta matemática.
Okay, Heidi.
No me gusta geography.
Math is fun.
Okay, Kendall.
No me gusta español.
Okay. Cool.
How do you say science?
You just say ciencias is for science for now.
No me gusta
Yeah. Here, Kennedy. Okay. Extra one. Cole and then Braden. Cole.
No me gusta mathematics.
No me gusta historia.
Historia. Yeah, Clay.
No me gusta cardio health.
No me gusta
Libros. Book class.
What class?
class.
Yeah.
Oh, what's, okay. English.
English. Okay. If you were to use libros, Elisa, it'd be no me gustan because the libros are plural.
Oh.
Miley.
How do you say
Ciencias. Okay. Amen.
No me gusta arte.
Really? Alton.
No me gusta.
Jason.
No me gusta español.
Justin.
No gusta coreano.
Kevin. Kevin.
No me gusta la historia.
Okay, bien.